Hey Steph, another
Hello.
great performance, another 3 points. The defence at the minute is playing really, really well.
Yeah, clean sheets wins games. We
Yep.
didn't keep one today, but we've been talking about how important defensive performances are. Grind it out, and we'll take our chances when we get them. And
Yeah.
I thought we were brilliant tonight. I thought
Yeah.
we were really on top first half. We were disappointed, obviously, not to come in with a clean sheet, but I thought on the whole we dominated and played some really good stuff.
Yeah, in the last 2 games, things seem to have clicked for us, and the defence now looks really solid, and everyone knows what they're doing, and
Yeah.
it's good.
Well, we've got a lot of new faces in,
Yeah.
and obviously it does take time to gel, but everyone's working really hard. You know, we're all working hard in training every week.
Yeah.
We won't get carried away. Obviously, back-to-back wins, we're really pleased with that. But won't get carried away. We'll work hard again this week. We've got a tough game again on Tuesday night, so we'll be ready for that, and we go again.
How are you finding the transition between the Premier League? Sorry.
Well, I've played in this league before,
Right.
For a number of years, and in my opinion, it's a big step up.
Yeah.
And yeah, we've got to adapt quickly. We a lot of the time last year we did have it our own way, and we were probably quite spoilt with the number of wins that we had last year. But we've got to adapt, and I think we have. Last couple of games we've looked, I think in my opinion, a lot stronger defensively.
Yeah.
We hopefully go from strength to strength.
We've been doing a lot of travelling as well. Who are you rooming with?
I roomed with Jamie on
Right.
Saturday,
Right.
and I was rooming with Ryan Edwards before that.
Okay.
But of course he's left the club now.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
I think Jamie coming will be my new
New
roommate going
roommate.
forward.
Yep. All right. Thanks very much for your time,
Cheers,
and
mate.
good luck on Tuesday.
Thank you.